The thermaBliss mobile kit for aesthetics delivers game-changing sanitary technology for unparalleled client-exclusive treatments. The kit includes self-heating thermofusion facial masks with both a moist side and a dry occlusive side that eliminate the need for steamers and hot towels. Premium depilatory hard wax for hair removal on the go. Non-porous massage stones and shells for face, neck, shoulders, and body. And medical-grade dripless brush-on paraffin for facial, décolleté, hands, and spot treatments. These self-heating and self-cooling applications activate with a patented blend of natural minerals and water. thermaBliss mineral technology generates its own heat or chill for up to an hour. The lasting thermal applications help relax tissues, making your job easier while your client enjoys dramatically increased touch time. Sanitation takes just seconds. The non-porous stones and shells need only a wipe with a board-certified solution, while facial masks, depilatory anywhere, and paraffin anywhere are all single-use and disposable. The thermaBliss mobile kit for aesthetics empowers you to provide 5-star sanitary thermal wellness services wherever your client prefers. The thermaBliss mobile kit carry case is both compact and lightweight. This spacious and versatile case has 3 zippered pockets, 5 pockets inside and out so you can carry whatever additional supplies you need, and a cargo net pocket on top for business cards. Each thermaBliss mobile kit for aesthetics contains a total of 24 single-use sanitary client-exclusive treatments, including 6 self-heating moist thermofusion facial masks, 2 depilatory anywhere treatments, a set of 2 non-porous ergonomic thermaBliss stones and 2 non-porous ergonomic thermaBliss shells, a total of 12 thermaBliss natural mineral charges for warm and chilled protocols, 4 sets of paraffin anywhere, and the attractive thermaBliss carry case. The total kit has a value of $165. thermaBliss for sanitary single-use client-exclusive applications. thermaBliss for on-demand heated and chilled treatments activated by water. And thermaBliss for the mobility and freedom to serve your clients anywhere they prefer. Get your mobile kit today. Join the sanitary revolution. Spa Revolutions stands at the forefront of thermal wellness solutions in our professional beauty industry. The entire thermaBliss collection is dedicated to empowering credentialed practitioners who share our mutual passion for enhancing the client experience. Globally, over 4,000 leading spas and salons use thermaBliss self-heating and self-cooling tools to improve outcomes, delight clients, and increase profits.